So, my husband is not impressed with my skills to fix things. One of our smoke detectors downstairs has been going off all day. It's the one that's hardwired in. He changed the batteries, hit the reset button, still beeping. So I go down there. Can't beep if you don't have batteries! Okay, though, I am trying to fix it. I know it's bad not to have smoke detectors on because, fires really happen, but I get some peace and quiet. My husband used to be a firefighter, and his mom ran the division up here up until 2 years ago when she retired. So it's not expired yet, and I don't know how to fix it. I'm gonna try different batteries because maybe one's a dud. If you guys have any ideas, though, let me know.